How to make your Fortnite player stats private. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In Fortnite, if you are trying to hide your stats or just want more privacy while gaming, then you can easily do it in a few minutes. First of all, launch open the Fortnite game on your device, whether you are using a tablet, an iPad, or your smartphone. Make sure that you are inside the main lobby screen. After you're inside, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From your profile interface, tap on the gear button from the top. Inside the settings menu, go to the top right corner and tap on this human icon, and then scroll down under Gameplay Privacy. You'll see the Public Game Stats option over here. Simply tap the arrow button right next to it and make sure that it is turned off. After you select off, click on Apply from the bottom to save the changes, and then you can get back to the lobby screen. Don't forget to save the changes before exiting, and that way, your Fortnite stats should now be more private, giving you better control over who sees your game progress. You can now keep enjoying your matches without worrying about unwanted attentions. Just play with your style and have fun. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.